just like any makeover, you want to make sure it looks good from every angle. So I'm not only making sure it looks good while I'm actually on the patio, but I also want it to look really good from inside the house coming out. Hello my loves, welcome back to the channel. I know that you all love the balcony makeover, so I wanted to give you another one. We're at my mom's house. This is her porch. It's screened in and it's been a while since she's had this actually decorated. So I wanted to come over and really spruce it up for her and give her a nice little oasis where she can relax out here with the dog. We've got 3 days, including today, to get this balcony together. Everything in this project is super budget friendly and you can do it too. I'm gonna also make sure I list all the products in the description box. Also, I forgot to mention, unlike my balcony makeover, this porch does not have the limitation of space. It's actually quite big, so we've got a lot of room to work with. That can also be a challenge when you have a big space and if you're on a budget trying to find things to fill up the space and to fill it all. So we're going to tackle that. My mom has more of like a modern style, a little more chic. So we're going to go with more of a solid color palette, blacks, creams, and whites, and then just throw in some colorful flowers and maybe some throw pillows here and there. If you haven't already designed your balcony or patio, or if you already have one and you just want to switch it up, you can definitely take some inspiration from this video, and I'll make sure to link all of the products below in the description box. Also, this is Jaxie. Say hi, Jax. Jax, say hi. Say hi to the people. Look. You might see him make a cameo throughout the video. This is my brother's dog. Say hi, Jaxie. I'm kind of nervous if this is going to be too small. I was impatient and I wanted it to open come and I picked the 5x7. But this room is definitely like 14 by like 10 feet long. So I hope this doesn't feel too small. Another thing you can do if you get too small of a rug is you can layer multiple rugs together to give the illusion of a larger rug. We can make this work. So my job is to make sure everything ties together and looks good. So the things that she already has, plus I've got $200 for new things. So y'all already know what that means. We're gonna be thrifting a lot. I might be doing some stuff in her kitchen, and then we're also doing a guest room. So stay tuned for that guest room. Hey Jaxie, you helping me out? You helping me out? All right, the easy part is done. Now it's time for the hard part, which is getting all this furniture put together.
I don't want to work anymore.
So I'm already sweating enough. I don't want to show you guys me sweating that much more, even though that would be a little humorous. I'm gonna go ahead and do the building off camera, and I'll see you guys in a second. I just finished everything and it looks really good. I was actually kind of doubting it, to be honest, but I like how it all came together. We have these two, and I actually really like the way it looks with this checkered rug, and it also came with a coffee table. So that's really good. We've actually got a lot of the big pieces done. So now we just need those filler pieces. I think we could bring in some side tables, definitely a lot of plants. And then while I was out here, I noticed this blank wall back here. I think it could be really cool to make some kind of outdoor bar area. Now, my family doesn't drink. I mean, they don't. You know, I like a little cocktail, but anyway, they don't, but they do really like to host. So I think it would be nice if I could set something up there, maybe for hosting guests where they can like drink lemonade, have some snacks. Also, my niece and nephew come over a lot. They have all the grandkids over. So maybe a nice little play area where they could do chalk on the concrete. I don't know. there's lots of possibilities. Because we have light up top, I need to figure out clever ways to add more lighting to the space. I think that maybe some kind of outdoor lamp or even a bunch of lanterns. I think that would be a really good idea. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap up for tonight and I'll see you guys tomorrow for a little shopping. The next day, my mom joined along as I went thrift shopping and also did some home decor shopping. We went to World Market, Home Goods, and we found some really nice stuff for the makeover. Also, I am dropping my candle collection along with some of my other home decor products, only available for a limited time on July 31st. So make sure you follow me on IG at Home with Juju or join my waitlist online so you can get updated as soon as it goes live. Everyone on the waitlist will get a 10% discount code sent right to their email before the products go live on my site. You can sign up for the waitlist at jujuhomeco.com. All right, let's get back to the makeover. Hey guys, so it is day 2 of the porch makeover. We have literally everything that we need. Now all we have to do is style the space. I think I'm just gonna jump right into it and start putting everything in its place. Right now there's a lot of clutter and I really need to clear out all the things we're not using and get everything organized. We never ended up finding a storage like cabinet for that wall, but I had the idea today while I was out shopping that that wall could actually be the eating area, and I think it'll be a great place for them to sit down and have a meal and enjoy their meal outside. So before you do any of the actual styling in a space, you want to make sure you have the layout set in stone. And I'm looking around, and at first I wanted to have both chairs here and have the eating area over there. That's still totally possible, but I wonder what it would look like for flow wise if I were to move the chair over here and have the eating area right here. I think I want to play with both of those layouts and see which one I like better. If you guys are liking this video so far, make sure to give it a thumbs up and check out my balcony makeover that I did just a few weeks ago. I'll make sure to link it after this video. Over here. Feels cozier for sure, but it feels a little off. So they have like an old bistro table, and I'm gonna just give that a good clean and use that as a table. I'm gonna style it right over here. So I'm having a bit of a dilemma because it's feeling a little bit crowded to me. I don't know about the layout. I kind of want to play with the chairs being over on this side just because there's this big awkward gap behind the chairs. The tricky thing with this is, just like any makeover, you want to make sure it looks good from every angle. So I'm not only making sure it looks good while I'm actually on the patio, but I also want it to look really good from inside the house coming out, because they're going to be looking at it every day. So I want to make sure it looks good that way, and that's the view that is not quite sitting right with me. Let me show you. When you first come out, I don't know, it's this whole area just feels off to me. There's this huge gap behind the chairs, and I don't know if it's just because everything's not potted, but it's feeling cluttered. I'm also not a big fan of the fiddle leaf figs being out here, but I know my mom really wanted them. I actually don't think we need both. I really think we could take that one and put it somewhere else in the house, and I think I might do that, but I kind of want to get her approval first before I make that decision. I did put the table over here, but I'm wondering what it would look like if I took this chair, moved it here, and then put this eating area right here. Go ahead and drop in the comments what you think I should do. I'm gonna go ahead and play around with it. Actually, my mom literally just walked in the house, so I'm gonna see what she thinks so far of the layout. No, not yet.
Oh, the
Be
one
careful.
keeps knocking. Back up. You coming out? Come on. The one keeps
I
knocking.
think that you only need one out here. I think that could go in the guest room downstairs, to be honest.
Cool.
I feel like it looks,
Over the
yes, too much.
Yeah.
But I don't mind that one there. But I don't like both of them there. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you got some inspiration for your outdoor space. I love it that you guys watch all the way to the end. If you're still watching, go ahead and say patio paradise in the comments. I love you all so much, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.